Solve the problem algebraically, clearly define all variables, write an appropriate equation and solve. Problem. One number is 6 times another number. There are two numbers. And let's assume that one number is x, then other number would be 6 times x. Determine the two numbers if the sum of their reciprocal is 7 over 30. Sum of their reciprocals is 7 over 30. So we start with the let's assume that one number is x. Let's say x. So if you look back the problem here, it says another number is 6 times another number, one number. So that means other number, remember there are two number, other number equals 6 times x. The given we have sum of their reciprocal. Get here, sum of their reciprocal, sum of their reciprocals equals 7 over 30. So sum of their reciprocal. So first of all, reciprocal of x is 1 over x. Reciprocal of 6x is 1 over 6x. So their sum, which is 1 over x plus 1 over 6x, equals 7 over 30. To find the sum, like this reciprocal, you have to have the same denominator. So here is a 6x, here is x only. So to make the same denominator, we can just multiply the top one, bottom one by 6. By doing that, on the top one, we're going to get 6. Bottom one will be 6x. Now, because we have the same denominator, we can just write down the one of them. 6 plus 1 would be 7. So now we need to solve this equation. You can see that there is a 7 here, there is a 7 here, so we can just cancel that, because we can just basically divide both sides by 7. Now we can do the cross multiplication. By doing that, we'll be able to write down 6x equal 30 if you just do the cross multiplication. So this is 1 and this is also 1. So 6x times 1 is 6x. 1 times 30 is 30. And you can write down 30 on the left side and 6x on the right side, or you can write down 6x on the left side and 30 on the right side. That's the same thing. Now for finding the value of x, just divide both sides by 6. So as you can see that x is 5. So now the first number is 5. That's what we found. Second number is 6 times 5. So first number is 5. Second number is 6 times 5, which is 30. Now if you try to add their reciprocal, check. You can always check that. Try to add their reciprocal, which means 1 over 5 and 1 over 30, which is basically 7 over 30. 7 over 30, because you have to make the same denominator again. You can multiply this, the first one, by 6 on the top and 6 on the bottom. In that way you will have the same denominator, 30 30, and basically this sum would be 7 over 30. So that is right. So the answer for this question is 5 and 30. 5 comma 30. Okay.